Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on really fast and show you something that I think is so cool, and it takes your painting up a notch. So I did some acrylic pours last weekend, doing a bunch of videos about different types of acrylic pours. They're dry now, took a few days, and they look really, really cool. This one is so fun. This copper here has a metallic sheen to it, which is really fun. But in general, the colors are kind of, they're interesting because they're so contrasty, but they don't shimmer. There's not a lot of shimmer action to them. So I'm gonna put a gloss, medium, and varnish on that, and it's going to kick it up a notch. It's going to add that much more interest. It separates the colors and adds a little bit more oomph. I can't think of a better word. It just makes it that much better. Oh yeah, Panda's over in the other room next to me playing with paper and a little rubber ball. She's chasing it all over. So if you hear the extra noise in the background, it's Panda. She's awesome, but she's on the hunt, and I'm glad it's not me right now. So yeah, I was doing a lot of filming last week, and she totally was batting at my legs through the holes that she made in my plastic tablecloth here, so it made life a little interesting. So anyways, I'm gonna put some of this gloss medium and varnish. Today, I'm using it like varnish, so I'm just going to put a little bit on a plate. See that? Maybe a little more for this size painting. And I have a flat brush. And so, it's really super simple. I told you it was a quick fix, and it is. I'm just going to smooth a very nice coat over the whole painting. Now, sadly, you can tell where it's wet and where it's not, maybe in the picture. But when you're in person with this painting, it just kicks it up a notch and makes it look more professional, I guess is the best word for it. So yeah, quick fix. So I did a bunch of paint pours last week. I did a Dutch pour, which is getting the whole canvas wet with your background color, doing a few lines of paint of the color, and then going on either side of the color or all the way around to that color with the background color again, and then blowing the paint over the top of your color. So in this case it was white, so I was blowing the white paint over the top of this color, and then I took a hairdryer in this case and blew it out, and it made so many cool colors and shapes and things going on in the painting. This was a triptych, so these things were side by side by side, and it did so awesome. So anyways, you guys, I just wanted to show you this quick fix. This is bomb diggity, and it is one of the few things that I use as a medium, like it says, and as a varnish. Medium means that it's mixed with paint and used as part of the painting process, and the varnish goes on top after it's all done. But I'll put a link to this below if you're interested in taking a peek at it, or if it will add some spark and some fun to your paintings. And yeah, have an awesome Friday, you guys.